Nobody teaches you how money changes when your life changes. They teach you how to budget. They teach you how to save. But nobody sits you down and says, listen, when you get married, when you have a child, or when a marriage ends, everything you thought you knew about your finances gets tested in ways you were never prepared for. That is what today is about. Real life, real money, real solutions. Marriage looks beautiful from the outside, and it can be, but financially, it is one of the most complicated transitions two people can make together. You are not just combining households, you are combining credit histories, spending habits, financial trauma, and money beliefs that were shaped long before you ever met each other. And here is where most couples go wrong. They assume love is enough to make the money work. It is not. Before the wedding happens, both of you need to sit at a table and lay everything out. Not just income, everything. Student loans, credit card balances, car payments, savings, all of it. No secrets, because whatever debt your partner carries into the marriage can affect your ability to buy a home together, qualify for a loan together, or build wealth together. Transparency before the wedding protects both of you after it. Then decide together how money will flow. A system that works well is this. Open one joint account for shared bills only. Rent, utilities, groceries, everything the household needs. Then each of you keeps a personal account for individual spending. This way, shared responsibilities are covered and neither person feels controlled. It is practical, fair, and it removes a large source of daily financial tension. Now let's talk about having a baby. The financial pressure of a new child catches most parents completely off guard. So here is what you do before the baby arrives. Call your health insurance provider and ask exactly what your delivery and hospital stay will cost out of pocket. Get the actual number, then start saving specifically for that amount. At the same time, find out from your employer how parental leave works and whether any of it is unpaid. If there is an unpaid gap, calculate how many weeks it covers and start setting aside money now to cover that lost income. Once the baby is home, look into dependent care benefits through your employer if they are available. These allow you to set aside pre-tax dollars for childcare costs, which saves you real money every year. And open a simple savings account in your child's name early. Even putting away $20 a month from birth creates a foundation that grows quietly in the background while you focus on everything else. Divorce is different because it often arrives with emotional chaos that makes financial clarity feel impossible. But clarity is exactly what protects you here. The first thing you do is separate your finances immediately. Open a bank account in your name only and have your income directed there. Then pull your credit report and identify every account that exists in both names. You are responsible for joint debt even after separation, so you need to know what is out there. Next, document everything you own and everything you owe. Bank statements, property records, investment accounts, all of it. This documentation becomes the foundation of fair negotiations. If children are involved, research your state or country's child support guidelines before any agreements are made, and hire a financial advisor alongside your attorney. Your lawyer protects your legal rights. A financial advisor protects your financial future. You need both working together. Life will keep moving, whether your finances are ready or not, but now you have a clear starting point for each of these moments. If this gave you real clarity, hit the like button and subscribe for practical finance content every single week. Leave a comment telling me which of these 3 situations you are in right now. I would genuinely love to help.